All right, y'all, today we're taking a look at something special that I've been wanting for a little bit. Now, you see the box. You should already know what it is. But if you don't know what it is, well, today we are taking a look at the Air Max 95. 95, guys, in the neon colorway. And me personally, I have always wanted this shoe for a good minute now, and I finally was able to grab it. So sit back, relax, because let's take a look at these right now, guys. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefray. Hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, as you can see the backdrop, I actually did go ahead and change the backdrop just a little bit. I'm actually at my friend's house right now, and I was gonna go home and do it, but we have some videos and stuff like that we're gonna film on his stuff as well. So I was like, you know what, why not bring it in? I've made tons of videos in here before, but we're filming that, and as you can see, we did come back from Shoe Palace, and the shoe that we're taking a look at today is one that I have been waiting for a good minute. These have come out like several times, they've restocked several times, but every time they do, I always miss out on my size, but not this time. I did go ahead and make a short, so you guys already know what we're talking about. And we're taking a look at the Air Max 95 in the neon colorway with the big bubble on it. Now, with the retail price being $190, and they did release on March 5th, a lot of people gravitate towards these, and not only that, they did sell out as well. And if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, I want to say that these actually weren't as stocky as I thought they were going to be. I don't know if a lot of places got them or not, because I was able to luckily get mine, but I was asking around and I didn't see like a lot of places where they did go ahead and sell out. But with all that said though, we're gonna go ahead and go straight behind and getting right into the review for the Air Max 95, because I've been wanting this sneaker for a good minute. Take a look at it, see what it obviously offers. And then, yeah, we'll roll into it. Before I do though, I wanna give you guys your kudos, give you guys your shouts, because I greatly appreciate y'all every time I drop a video. So let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so first and foremost, thank you for all the love and support that you show on the channel. It tremendously means a lot. We are about to hit 10,000 big subscribers. Hey, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, because we are so close to that goal. And all I can say is thank you guys so much. Like I always say, it's not me, it's we. You guys have been on the journey from the very beginning, and I just want you to know, like, you guys support me with what I do when it comes to sneakers and other content I drop for you. So thank you so much. If you haven't already, definitely hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, comment down below, let me know how you're feeling today. Let me know what's been your newest pickup. I know we also did get the release of the Air Jordan 4 Lakers today. I passed on those because I wanted these more, but let me know, how are you feeling when it comes to your releases? Are you excited for more? Remember, I have stuff dropping as well on content, so comment on that and literally let me know, because I like to just give back to you guys. So all that said, let's take a look at these 95s. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so like I said, we did go ahead and went to Shoe Palace. Thank goodness my people over there were able to secure me my size, because again, like I said, these did go ahead and sell out. Let's go ahead and put these over here. Looking at the packaging right here, whoo, look at the packaging. We got the Air Max. Now this is gray, as you can see right here, and then the box has black as well. If I'm not mistaken, it is the 30th anniversary, I want to say, for Air Maxes, I think. So I think that's why Nike decided to kind of give us back these. Here we go, we got the Air Max. You have it in the white, and all throughout the text, it has that neon. Right here in the front, it does say Air Max shoe represents the most important advances in Nike Air cushioning, larger volumes, greatness, efficiency, and more visibility in the heel, and the 4-foot innovation has never been clear. And then we'll go ahead and show you guys right there, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. I'm so excited for these. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and actually read the side description before we take a look at these. We're reading Nike Air Max 95, big bubble, black neon yellow, cool gray. This is a size 11. I recommend going true to size when it comes to 95s. I've always been true to size and I've never gone wrong. Women, this is a 12 and a half. And the SKU code on this, go ahead and read HM4740001. And I don't know if I even told you guys, I think I did, but these are retail price for $190. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I don't know if I showed this as well. You got more text on the air, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and pull these guys right here. As you can see, let's get in a better perspective. So when you open it, the first thing you get a tan box, as you can see from the inner, and then you have a all white tissue paper right there. Let's go ahead and pull these things back in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Ooh, right here, we got the Air Max 95 in the neon colorway. And truly, in my opinion, I honestly want to say that this is one of those shoes that, in my opinion, is Nike's, I put this in Nike's like top 10 best sneakers they've ever produced and ever come out with, in my opinion. But here we go, right there, y'all. Let's go ahead and actually pull this one out, and then we'll talk more about it right now. Let's go. And boom, here we go. Right here, we got the Air Max 95 in the neon color way with the big bubble treatment. They did absolutely amazing with these, in my honest opinion, and I'm finally happy to have them. Again, I really think that the reason why I like this shoe so much, honestly, and I've always wanted it, it's just because the color combination, the aesthetic with this, it's just clean. You got the light gray, you got the dark gray, you got the neon, like it's just so, it's nice. And then like I said, that big bubble is nice too. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the outsole, and let's kind of work our way up through this shoe. So bottom of the outsole, you got an all black outsole, and then you have that neon at the bottom right there. This one does go ahead and say 20 PSI Nike Air, 25 PSI, and 5 PSI. So that's actually really cool. Let it focus right there for you guys. As we come up to the midsole right here, midsole, you get hit a dark gray midsole with the Air unit right there. And the cool thing about this Air unit is it actually got the big bubble treatment that Nike's done back in the day, which the last time this dropped, I believe it was 2020, it was just a regular Air unit. So that's really cool they added with that, and I feel like that's a good touch with this retro for this one in restock. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the heel right here. Back of the heel, you do get Nike Air. You do get a neon swoosh, as you can see. As we come up to the front of the sneaker as well, excuse me, you do go ahead and get the dark gray, then you get the light gray, and then you get hit with the neon hit right there. And then as we come up, you get hit with the Air Max, which is done in white, neon, and a black and gray. Let that focus right there for you guys. But whoo, here we go right here, man. Then we come up, let's go ahead and take out the shoe tree right here. Shoe tree, when you take it out, the insole, you have a Nike Air Max right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Want it to focus inside. Oh, look at the way the camera focuses. Oh, there we go, love it. And then we're gonna go ahead and also look at the size description, size 11 again, on the insert of the shoe right there. And there you go, guys. These are, hey, these are sleek. These are sleek. I really enjoy these. I'm actually, hold on. I'm gonna get my brother in here to see what he thinks about these too. I want him to actually rate these. And regardless of what he says, I still like these. Give me 1 second. All right, brother, look, now, I know you a fragrance content creator, right? But I just wanna know what you think about these. Out of 10, what do you think about, an honest opinion, because for me,
what am I rating it based off of? Like
just color, aesthetic, all of it. Like, what do you feel about it?
Personally, and I'm not in the shoes.
Yeah,
like,
that's
this
fine.
Is completely random. Like I don't really like the shoe. I'm gonna be honest.
Hey, it's cool. It's cool.
It's not really my vibe.
Okay.
If I had to rate it out of 10, I gotta rate this like a 5 out of 10. I don't know, 5 out of 10. I don't know that.
No, and that's what it's all good, because regardless of the ratings, it's a real rating. I still like these, bro. These right here, I rock with them. No, I just want.
Are they popular?
No, yeah, these sold out already. These are gone.
So what would the average sneaker head rate this shoe?
That's a good question. I actually turned to you guys. If you had to rate these, y'all, what would you get these out of 10? Let me know down below. Let me know down below what you would rate these.
What did you rate it?
Me personally, these, this is one of my greatest shoes of all time. 10. For a 95, I like them. That's just my opinion though.
Why? Can I ask why?
Bro, honestly, for me, it's the color, it's the history behind it. And not only that, I like it more so, it's just a shoe I've always wanted, honestly.
Okay.
It's just the aesthetic behind these 95s is clean. You know, that's why I like them. But I still appreciate it though, brother.
I don't know, man.
All right, guys. So there we go, right there. We got the my boy came in here and he rated it. Hey, honestly, regardless of the rating, I still like these a lot, though. I really do like these neons. Seriously, let me know down below how you feel about these. Like I said, Air Max 95s in the neon colorway. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put these on feet right now. Before I do, give you guys some more B-roll, just that way if you know you're trying to go ahead and grab these, or you're on the fence of grabbing them, well then this video can help you with that. So let's go ahead and take a closer look, shall we? So we got the Air Max 95 in the neon color way. I think that honestly, again, like I said, a very beautiful shoe in my opinion. I think that this is one of those shoes that Nike, when Nike put out, it's just different in terms of colorway. And again, like I said, shoe's very comfortable too. I think you should definitely check it out if you don't have a pair. But I feel like, you know, OGs and sneakerheads, like the ones that know about this shoe, like we will appreciate it. But do let me know, guys, what you think about them down below. Alrighty, guys, so this has been the review over the Air Max 95. Let me know what you feel about them down below. Appreciate all the love and support that you guys show. Seriously, really does mean a lot. Again, did you go for this pair? Did you skip this pair? There's tons of shoes coming out. And you know, I just love being able to go ahead and bring the reviews for you guys. So let me know down below how you feel about it. Love you guys. Remember, there's only ever be one you. Be the best you. And until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.
Thank you.